All right, just a fun video today. I was given a bunch of drawers with parts in them. I couldn't pass it up. I wanted like a couple things out of the drawers. They said, no, you got to take the whole drawers. So I took them all. Anyway, there's some fun stuff down here. I'm glad I actually took the whole drawers because I didn't see everything when I first looked at it. So first thing was there's just a bunch of resistors, which is usually kind of boring. But they're all half-watt resistors, so that's pretty cool. I don't have many of those. But the fun thing about the resistors was I hadn't seen these in a long time. Oh my goodness, Radio Shack, yes, look at that, half-watt resistor. You went and you bought 2 of them, right? Yeah, that's pretty cool. So 61 meg, 1 meg. And look at that, 19 cents. Now, I'm not sure, it looks like a pretty old tag, so I'm not sure, I don't know. When was this printed? When were these 19 cents? And was 19 cents like a lot of money? I don't know. If it was old, yeah, 19 cents was a lot of money for 2 resistors. So yeah, that was fun. But yeah, here's the stuff. Here's the haul. Here's the good stuff down here. Let me try to get some more light on it there. So lots of capacitors. Let's see here. Let's just go right to left. These sparked my eye because I think these are solid tantalums, if I remember right. I think they're like silver tantalums. I think they're a solid. I don't think these things ever go bad. So those are always cool to have. Look at this big box of micas. Man, this is a haul. This is great. Some really big ones too. Wow, 5,600 picofarads at 500 volts. Yeah, there you go. So that's pretty cool. I can use those. Lots of micas. But this is, wow. Check these out. I don't think I've ever seen these before. Look at how big these are. You guys gotta see this. Yeah, Western Electric. Made in the USA, 400 millifarads. Yeah, none of that micro stuff. No, milli. Yeah, these are super cool. And I guess they needed some value, so they just stacked them up. And there's two of these stacks. This is 1,000 milli. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Those are cool just to stare at. Oh, man. So these are giant micas. These are just really big giant micas. So yeah, so those are fun. Let's see. Here's one that I definitely have never seen before. Look at that weird looking thing. What's it say? IMSAI? Oh, mica condenser. Oh yeah, they didn't call them capacitors back then. These were condensers. Mica condenser. Illini? Is that the brand name? I guess. Wow, is that dirty? 0.01 microfarads. Let's see here. And then a whole bunch of dominoes. Little tiny dominoes, big dominoes. I think those are probably, you don't want to be using those. I mean, you don't want to be using any of these. Here's a really weird little round one. That's kind of cute. Pup. It says pup on him. I don't know. Anyway, that was super fun. I like these. Anybody knows this? I mean, yeah, I'm not sure where all this was used. It was like telephone exchange or something. I don't know. Box of variable caps. That was nice. A bunch of surrounding things. This one's unusual. The other ones I've seen before. I've not seen this before. It looks like it was made specifically for some radio or something, and it's a pretty small value, picofarads. But yeah, brass and bakelite. Oh, de jour. Yeah, that was a real popular name back in the day. So that was cool. And then just some resistors, but some fun ones. You see a lot of these in equipment and stuff. See a lot of the roundy ones. Okay, these are the ovally ones, and those are the roundy ones. And then some of the roundy ones had a slide on them, so you could make it any value you wanted to. But these guys here I've not seen before. Can I get down lower again? Yeah, Ohms. Small Cross Manufacturing Company. Got a little zappy sign. Huh. Shawl Cross? Oh, it's not Small Cross, it's Shawl Cross. SHALLCRO. Yeah, it's too small for me to read. Wow, look at that. Wire wound. Wow, that's pretty cool. And what's this one? It's kind of the same type of thing here. International Resistance Company. Yes. All right. In Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Phila. Phila. Yeah, IRC, International Resistance Corporation. Precision wire wound. 1 watt? That's all it is? 1 watt? That looks like it would do 10 watts. Huh. 400 volts max. 0.225 megohms. 1% accuracy. Oh, pretty nice. Anyway, I had not seen resistors like that before. All right, that's the video for the day. Just a blast from the past. Oh, a couple other extra things here. There was a cool right angle RCA connector. You don't see those anymore. And a weird 3-terminal, some type of patch cable thing, really big thing on the back. Looks like maybe it was for a telephone exchange or something again. Anyway, there you go.